Welcome to Singing with Ron.
Hello. This next section is working with voiced consonants. So, z is voiced, z or z. S is unvoiced, z, s, f, v, sh, zh. Those are examples. Oh, p, voiced, unvoiced. So, using voiced consonants as a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise is they're great. So the one I use the most and find the easiest is z, so that is doing it on z, but you could do it on v if you find it easier. Or zh, that one I find harder. I have to work more up in my face in order to make that one work. So, z, zh, v, v. Those are the voiced consonants that work really well for semi-occluded vocal tract exercises.